everyone, thank you to joining my channel. Today's video I'm going to talk about cinnamon. So let's get started. There are many beneficial compounds in cinnamon, such as antioxidants. Many dishes are flavored and aromatized with cinnamon, including teas, snacks, breakfast cereals, sweets, and traditional dishes. According to some research, it can protect against heart disease, reduce inflammation, and support blood sugar control. On the other hand, it can also be used to manifest wealth and attract money. Throughout history, cinnamon has been associated with abundance. Let's say like the law of universe or the law of attraction. I'd share with you one money ritual that you can use to attract abundance into your life today. When you dig deep and research for money manifestation rituals, you might find numerous of them. It's so many. However, one of the easiest and the most reliable techniques is placing cinnamon in your wallet. So there it flows money. Believe me, it really works. You can put cinnamon in a plastic bag, place it in your bag, or keep it in your wallet. Because cinnamon is known to be an attracting herb. Who wondered? You will experience abundance with cinnamon, which is an excellent attractor. Use cinnamon and your life will be filled with abundance. Let me know after you try this just to see if that works or not. And keep consistency is really important. Bye-bye.